What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to create a landing page to collect emails from your clients on System.io. So System.io is a free platform on which you can create like email campaigns to collect emails for your business from your clients, and that's what we are going to use in our video. So first of all, here is the System.io homepage, and you can create an account completely free and with no credit card required. So we'll click on get my free account, or here get my free account. You'll be able to enter your email address here to get a free account, so I'll go ahead and do this. And once I entered my email, it'll ask me to confirm it, then enter a password. I did all that already. And once I do so, I'll be able to sign in and access my dashboard. So that's my main dashboard. Once I create the account, I have here the dashboard, the contacts, the funnels, emails, blog, and so on. And here I have my account info, so the settings, and I can change my password. I can log out of my account. The first thing to do to create a landing page here is to go to funnels, and since I create a new account, there are no funnels here, so I'll click on create, and here you want to enter your funnel name. So let's name it like test funnel or test, and your funnel domain will be like with the email you entered .system.io. You can change it or keep it like this for now. Okay, I want to build an audience, and the currency, let's choose it. For this video, let's choose US dollars. So USD, US dollars. Okay, click on save. So here, as you can see, my funnel is created. Let's click on it. And now we wanna select a squeeze page or a landing page that will appear in the email. So let's choose from many templates that they offer. Okay. This looks like a simple one, so we can click on it to preview the template, or we can click select to select the template and start editing it. Okay, so the name that will appear, the name that will appear here on the tab once you open the web page. So let's name it how to simple. Okay, the URL path, let's leave it as it is. Okay, and then we want to click on edit page here, and it'll open the template that we chose in the editor. So here it's very simple. We can add elements. So here the template already has like many elements for text, like these menu titles and this text here, this text here. So we can add a text element. We can drag it and drop it wherever we want. We can add a headline text, a bullet. We can even add image, video, audio, or columns, or form input and button, and so on. So here we have many elements that we can add to customize our page. And we also have blocks. So the blocks here, we have many options like opt-in forms, features, page footers, and so on. So if you click on page footers, we have many footers, ready-made footers that we can add here. Okay, so we will not do so now. So here you have the desktop view and the mobile view of the elements that you want to add. So that's how your page will look on desktop and mobile. Okay, so here let's add like this section just for sake of the example of this video. You can find it here. It's added at the top, so we can edit it. We can move the elements as we want. Now let's undo this. Control Z. Let's now edit like the existing elements here. So we can click on any element. So the image, we can click on it. We can edit the parameters, so we can replace it here. We can add an image, upload an image from our computer, drag and drop, or choose from our already uploaded images or from the accounts here. And we can even paste an image from a URL, or we can also change the image like size. We can decrease the size, can change the alignment, the margins, and all these settings. And if you want to do so, you can delete this image, you can save it, you want to copy it, and so on. And if we go to a button here, like the start for free button, action button, we can also delete it right from here, and we can edit it we can save it. We can go to settings, so we can access the settings here, the parameters. So the margins, we can increase the top margin, and we can edit the color, the background color, and the padding and so on, and the shadows. And for the text, we can edit the text or we can delete it. So if we click on it, if we double click, we can like highlight the text and we can change it to whatever we want. So let's say like view my products, and we can also change the font size and the line height, spacing, and here we can change the font, so we can leave it as it is like the other text in the page, and we can change it to a web save or Google font, and like even a custom font that we can choose from here. We can edit the color, the text color, and the text background color, sorry. We can go ahead and choose like a red color for the background, and we can choose the margins and the alignment and so on. And here we can make it bold, italic, and underlined, or we can even change the text color. So let's make the text blue. So if we highlight the text, we can click here and choose a color, so like this blue for example. Okay, and the text color changes as you want. And we can even add a link, so when a customer clicks on this text here, it will open a certain link. Okay, so we do not want to do that for now. And we can scroll down here to further customize the other options. So here you can edit pretty much anything or any element on this landing page here, as I told you. And once you save all your changes, also the menu and the rows above here, and once you edit all the changes, click on save changes here. Okay, and once you do, we want to exit, and it will open the funnel list again. And here we can like edit a thank you or a download page that will open. A simple one like this, for example. So thank you for registering, or thank you for like downloading or viewing our product. So we can name it like this, and we can edit the page as well. A very simple page. Let's change the text to thank you for viewing our products. Okay, looking good. And I don't want to change anything else, it looks good here. Now click save changes. Okay, then we'll exit the editor. So the next step here is go to emails and then click on campaigns, and we want to create a new campaign. Campaign name, let's name it test campaign. Description, let's call it my first test campaign. Then click save. And here when you open it or click on the test campaign, you can create a new list in the campaign. So click on create here. Here you will enter the subject. So for the sake of this video, let's like leave it at products. Your name here, the sender name, John Smith for example, and your email, let's keep it at the classic editor. Click save. And here you wanna write in whatever your customers will receive. So let's type in view my products. Okay, you can attach files and so on. So let's click on save, or you can save and publish here. And that's simply how you can create a landing page on Systeme.io.